बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब आई थी डॉन संडे दिसंबर 17, 2023 के अखबार में। ये जॉब है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ विद सरीना होटल्स। Serena Hotels is a fast-growing luxury hotel chain in the region. Requires the services of skilled and dynamic professionals who are passionate to explore challenging career on the following positions: Director F&B Faisalabad Serena Hotel. Position profile: the role involves the leading and overseeing the operations of the food and beverage department at Serena Hotel. In this capacity, the incumbent is responsible for establishing and upholding elevated standards for product and service quality in alignment with Serena Hotel's image, leading innovation, devising service strategies, and overseeing budgetary processes for equal capital and operational requirements for food and beverage department are pivotal for ensuring targeted profitability. Key responsibilities encompass approving pricing strategy adjustments through meticulous competition analysis. The scope extends to maintaining excellence across all outlets, crafting annual plans for promotions and marketing, and ensuring unwavering adherence to organizational policies. Position requirements: bachelor's degree with at least 6 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. Director, Rooms Division, Faisalabad Serena Hotel. Position profile: the position involves assessing and meeting both short and long-term needs to ensure the hotel's success. The role encompasses overseeing housekeeping, laundry, front office, and reservation operations to uphold product quality standards and deliver exceptional services to guests in alignment with Serena standards. Position requirements: master's degree with at least 6 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. Executive Chief, Faisalabad Serena Hotel. Position profile: the role involves strategic oversight for managing all kitchen staff, designing the meal, and ensuring food is of the highest quality, which is in line with Serena Hotel's image. The operational responsibilities associated with its role include precise organization, strict adherence to food standards, and efficient stock management through meticulous planning. Responsibilities extend to recommending menu pricing, overseeing kitchen hygiene, and monitoring key performance indicators in coordination with the F&B director. Position requirements: bachelor's degree with at least 15 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. Chief Engineer, Koita Serena Hotel. Position profile: the position bears the responsibility for ensuring the secure and efficient functioning and maintenance of Serena Hotel's premises and infrastructure. Oversight includes all outdoor areas and external amenities critical to the safe and effective operation of the entire property. The Chief Engineer manages strategic advisory tasks, financial oversight, and regulatory compliance related to the department. This role ensures the success of capital projects and energy management initiatives with a focus on staff development and quality control. The role also includes actively participating in Serena Hotel's quality assurance program, collaborating and project enhancements, and proficiently managing preventive maintenance programs, thereby significantly contributing to Serena Hotel's operational excellence and commitment to safety standards. Position requirements: BE or equivalent with a specialization in mechanical, electrical, or any other relevant field with minimum 5 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. Events and Loyalty Club Manager, Corporate Office, Islamabad. Position profile. The position involves coordinating daily activities for Prestige Club, CSR and corporate events. Responsibilities include developing and implementing procedures to increase revenues through Prestige Club, card sales, monitoring sales reports, and ensuring positive coordination with unit executives. The role requires proactive measures to achieve and surpass sales targets in Prestige Club and corporate event management. Position requirements: MBA Marketing with minimum 2 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. Sales Manager, Lahore Office. Position profile. This position requires implementation of sales and marketing strategy by ensuring revenue maximization, customer satisfaction, and organizational profitability. The job requires within city and regional travel. Strong follow-up and interpersonal skills are a must for this position. Position requirements: Masters in Mass Communication / Media Sciences / MBA with minimum 2 years of relevant experience in well-reputed organization. How to apply? Serena Hotels, Pakistan is an equal opportunity employer. Interested candidates meeting the above mentioned criteria are requested to apply on our career portal i.e-careers.serena.com.pk. Apply latest by December 24, 2023. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for interviews. फीमेल आर एनकरेज्ड टू अप्लाई। जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।